Aero Asset presents this 2009 Leonardo helicopter, AW109S Grand, serial number 22111. The Grand is a top-of-the-range light twin helicopter developed to meet market requirements in a multitude of applications. Positioned at the upper end of the light twin FAR-JAR 27 segment, the Grand features high-performance capabilities, providing levels of cabin space and payload previously available only in the intermediate-size category helicopters, while retaining attractive economics typical of the light twin category. Providing balance between performance, reliability and reduced maintenance and operating costs, it is renowned for its outstanding safety record, thanks to best-in-class visibility, energy-absorbent seats, and a crash-resistant fuel system. The payload range characteristics and the best-in-class cruise speed give the Grand capabilities which are unique in its category. This Grand serial number 22111 was manufactured in 2009 and has been strictly flown for VIP use and is always hangared in Italy at Rome Urbe Airport. The Grand's spacious, unobstructed passenger cabin is easily accessible through large sliding cabin doors, one on each side of the fuselage, to ensure optimum visibility for both passengers and crew, with a 6-seat VIP layout. The cockpit is single-pilot IFR certified full Cat A Class 1 capability, equipped with AFCS 3-axis duplex autopilot SP711 Honeywell, multifunction display moving map KDM 550 Bendix King, weather radar RDR 2000 Bendix King, VHF ComNav GPS GNS 530 Garmin, Skywatch Traffic Advisory System Sky 497 BF Goodrich, Transponder Mode SKT 73 Bendix King. Powered by two efficient 815 SHP new generation turboshaft, compact and robust Pratt & Whitney Canada PWC 207C with full FADEC ensure outstanding performance capabilities in both hovering and cruising flight, whilst retaining low fuel burn characteristics. Other notable options